Are you looking for means to treat your natural hair? Stay tuned as I will show you my recipe for hair. First, we have lavender essential oil, which helps to promote hair growth, also help to reduce hair loss, and also help to make your scalp healthy. The next we have is clary sage. It's known for its ability to balance sebum production on the scalp. This makes it beneficial for those with oily or dry scalp conditions. Proper sebum balance can contribute to healthier hair and reduce issues. So we'll mix the essential oils in water and just wet the hair with it while combing the hair as well. Essential oils are very good for your health, and they have been used for ages to help treat various conditions, since they are concentrated liquids that contain volatile aroma compounds from plants, and these oils have been used for various purposes since they are known for their potential benefits in various health aspects. But for this video, we're focusing on how you can maximize essential oils for your hair. And essential oils are used for aromatherapy, to promote relaxation, reduce stress, and improve mood as well. And it also inhaling the aroma of certain oils has been shown to have positive impact on emotions and well-being. There are other benefits of essential oils, but for this one, again, we are focusing on just the one for our natural hair. So after wetting the hair and combing it, we'll take time and massage the hair. Then we'll move over to the next step of this process. Next, we'll be making our oil, and for this one, we're using aloe vera for this natural hair blend. So after cutting the aloe vera, I will peel it off and extract the aloe vera gel. Aloe vera has various benefits for the hair, and some of them, it helps to hydrate the scalp, hence moisturizing dry skin for those who have dry scalp. Next, for this mixture, we are using tea tree essential oil. Tea tree essential oil helps to clean the scalp and hence remove excess oil or product buildup on the scalp. It also helps to stimulate hair growth. Also, we're adding a few drops of lavender essential oil for this mixture, and as you've heard, lavender is good for the hair as it acts as a natural shine for your natural hair. Next, we're adding a few drops of clary sage again to this mixture. Take note that when using essential oils for natural hair care, it's important to dilute them with the carrier oil. And for this mixture, we're using coconut oil as a carrier oil, which will help to prevent irritation, and ensure to make sure you do a patch test before widespread of use on your scalp. So test to make sure you're not allergic to it, and if you are, you should stop the oil use. So after mixing everything together, we'll now apply them to the scalp and gain the benefits of using the essential oils for your hair, like which has as a natural shine, and you will massage it on your hair. And you can just do yourself a treat by just pampering your hair and give it the natural texture or natural treat that it deserves. Treat it, you can use it as many times as you want, but this is how you can use essential oils to treat your hair. After mixing everything together and not massaging it, you'll get the benefits of the essential oil for your scalp. And I also love it because of the fragrance. Like lavender oil has a pleasant and mild floral fragrance. When used in like hair products, it provides a natural and subtle scent without the need of synthetic fragrances. And also, even tea tree has been used for different purposes, but again, as you know, they are very helpful for your hair. So as you're treating your body through juices like we've been sharing on this channel, why not spend some time to treat your hair and give it the natural treatment or care that it deserves? Because health is wealth. And you have the benefit of having wholeness or health and vitality and wholeness. Why not spend some time this year to apply natural means to be healthy, like using essential oils for hair? I'll be sharing how to use different ways on how you can mix the essential oils as well. Take note that to mix them, you have like the top note, the base note, which you have to mix them appropriately as well. For those who are aromatherapists, they'll know better. But yeah, this is what we have today. Take care, enjoy your hair.